Hey gardening fantastics, how y'all doing? Hope everybody is doing well. Welcome back to the channel, and most importantly, welcome any new subscribers. Yay! Hope you guys enjoyed over here. Hope I have something that something I'm doing over here will help you out, and I hope that you share something that will help me out in the gardening world. But anyway, today I'm showing you guys some seedlings that I did, wasn't even a week ago, I don't believe. Was it last week? Okay, it might have been last week. Okay, it's a week later, and we have somebody coming up. And you're gonna say, Miss Janita, what do you mean we have somebody coming up? What is it? I don't know, because do you see any markers? Do you see any markers over here? Now, some of y'all might get irritated with me because I'm not doing right. I thought I was doing okay, but apparently I'm still in the learning process. Hey, this is a learning process over here. But anyway, I'm still in that lane. I'm still trying to get it together. But I did not mark these seeds. I promise you, I did not mark these seeds. I don't know what this is growing. It could be a flower seedling. It could be a vegetable seedling. I don't know. But all I know, it's the first one coming up, and it looks amazing. And I have it in a repurposed egg. Sorry for the interruption, gardening fantastic. With this phone, I keep pushing buttons and I get disconnected. But yeah, I have these new seeds. I know it's flower seeds and vegetable seeds in here. Flower seeds, vegetable seeds. I think it's some pepper seeds in here too on this tray. But I did not mark it, so everything is a mystery. It's a mystery. You guys, when these seedlings get bigger, and hopefully they survive, hope some of you guys can help me out in recognizing what is what. Because for sure, this next time, I will definitely mark and make sure, like the first time I did it with my parsley. Oh yeah, I got some parsley in one of these egg cartons, because it's 3 of them. I only sharing 2 up here, but it's 3 cartons, repurposed egg cartons I use to put plant seeds in. I did replant some thyme. Well, I planted some thyme, parsley, oregano, and chive. So we shall see. And I am hoping and praying that I will not demise any of these new seedlings. And I also I know plants, well, I found out yesterday it was hot out here in Southern California in my area, right? And I had my brand new my brand new Spanish lavender plant outside. Boy, did I learn Spanish lavender. They might like light. It's probably indirect light. They want the light, but they don't want that heat. They did not like it, that plant. I say they because of the flowers. My Spanish lavender plant did not like being out there in that heat. It drooped, it sagged, it was in distress. I looked at that plant and said, oh no, I only had you for a day or so, you're already perishing. I quickly it was dried out too, it was hot. So I quickly brung it in house, put some water on it, and put it in a nice cool spot. It had light, but it was cool. Do you know that baby perked back up and looked like her little flowers started coming out and everything? So lesson learned, if y'all want to know, do not put if you have a lavender plant, do not have that baby. Well, in my case, it didn't like the heat, and it didn't like that full, strong sun on it. So remember, you hear it from me. Don't put lavender in no full, strong sun, and it don't like all that old heat. So it want to be nice and cool, if you can help it. Well, it helped my baby. I brought my baby in the house. It perked back up. It's doing great now, so far. So I write that in my little plant diary. Do not full sun or have it in extreme heat, Spanish lavender. Y'all writing that down? But anyway, yeah, I just came on here. I gave I'll let y'all know about my little lavender plant. But yeah, I just came on here to, okay, I'll share it in the picture. Okay, but yeah, I just came here and let y'all know in a week's time, we got a seedling coming out. Like I say, I forgot to mark it. Y'all be upset with me, disappointed, whatever. It's all right. It's all in the learning process. Remember, people, mark whatever you put in the dirt so you'll know what it is, especially if you plant several seeds with other seeds. Make sure you mark it so you won't have to guess like I do. Okay, so let me share with y'all this little lavender. Let me show y'all what it's looking like. After I should have showed y'all the distress part. I don't know. I'm slow thinking. I'm struggling, y'all. Hold on. Okay, Gardening Fantastic. Here's Miss Lavender. I might have burnt her little leaf right there, having her in that sun. See the little black spot? It looked like burnt. If you ask me, it looked burnt. The top one. But yeah, see, she's standing back up. I resuscitated her with fresh water in a cool spot, and she got air, she got cool spot. She was in a cool spot, but she had some light still on her. So light is light, but having the sun beaming on you and burning on you, some plants do not like that. Like, what did I look at? See her little flower coming in? Yesterday, this part right here was all drooped out. So recognize your plants, you guys. Like I say, have your plant book, diary, and write this stuff down. When your plants go into distress, realize what you kind of situation you put them in, and what is the word, rectify, fix that stuff, and take care of your babies. Because I know, oh, sorry, I got my finger in the way. So I know a lot of us love plants and gardening and stuff. So keep a plant diary, number 1. Mark plants, number 2. And the diary will do the rest for you. That's what you need when you do in the gardening world, until you become more experienced with what you're doing, and how you know how plants react, and how you're supposed to care, and how you feed them, how you water them, how you put them in what area. Then plant diary you need right now. All right, I'm gonna let y'all go, and once again, welcome all any new subscribers. Don't forget to stay connected, stay subscribed, stay visiting, keep saying hello. You got the guts to nurture. You're brave enough. I say this on my other channel. You got courage. Keep continuing to visit and support this channel, and I'll do the same for you. No kidding. All right, talk to y'all later. Have a happy gardening day. Stay safe. Check out my prepper channel, because I'm gonna leave the link down in the comment section and in the description box. Go on over there and say hello to me on my prepper channel, and learn about the food shortages and stuff. Later.